Hello, my friends. It is club time. What does club time mean? That means we are releasing a new product. And it is so exciting because club members, Ken gets up extra early and he goes and he delivers all of your shipments to you. So our Stamp Club members and our Die Hard Club members. And we're really excited to say we have a special little gift in this one, and I'm not even going to show you what it is, but it's extra special. You're going to love it for my Stamp Club and my Die Hard Club members, and you're really going to love it. Now, this club set is probably one of my upper top 10 because it is so versatile. There's so much you can do with it. So let me stop talking and let me just show you what it is. It is called Flower to Build 1. Why is it called 1? Because there are more. And let me tell you, you will want them. Just saying. Now, what do we have here? We have a flower. And what you're going to do on these flowers is you're going to build onto them. I wanted to call it Flower to Build, but I already had a Flower to Build from a long time ago. So here we have this one. These are the dies if you're in the Die Hard Club. These are the stamps if you're in the Stamp Club. If you're in the Die Hard, of course, you're getting both. If you're not in the club, you are missing out. And you're not getting Happy Mail. And that's so sad. We can fix that. Don't worry. You need to join the club because then you'd get goodies and happy and fun. Oh, I almost said what the freebie was this month. Oh, I almost did. Okay, I'm not going to because I want it to be a surprise. Anyway, so what's it say? It says, happy birthday, live a colorful life, you grow girl, thanks a bunch, and all these fun flowers to mix and match and put together. Now, I have a ton of fun samples to share with you. However, I do need to warn you, some of them might have sneak peeks for the other products that match these, okay? I'm just putting that out there right now. Club members, yours are already on their way to you. If you're not in the club, you have to go join ASAP. There's a chance we will have some of the freebie gifts left that you can get in on if you join really early in the month. Just saying. Okay, here we go. Here's one. I cherish my time with you. And it has all these fun background, and look at, ooh, there's a pattern on that flower. How did that happen? Oh, here's a cute one. Happy birthday. And I love the sayings, happy birthday, you grow girl, and live a colorful life. Because the letters you can color, because they have a little space. Oh, here's a cute one. Thanks a bunch. The thanks a bunch you could even color too. But look at those flowers. Are you noticing how different each and every one is on the flowers? It looks basic. I know you're thinking, when you first see this, you're thinking, oh, that's so basic. Not with all those additives. Even with just the ones you get in this set alone. Each flower is going to look totally different. It's like Cabbage Patch Kids. They all are different. Which is, oh, look at this one. Look at this one. I love that one, and gorgeous, right? Gorgeous. Here's another one with that fun pattern. Oh, here's a solid. Those of you that don't like to color, don't worry, I got you covered. I got you covered. There's a solid stamp that matches. Here's one with just using the dies and then using Live a Colorful Life. That thanks a bunch is just so outstanding. It is so crisp and clear. You're gonna love it. Look how fun these flowers are. Ooh, don't forget, cut felt using the dies. Look how awesome that is. Wool felt, we sell it on our website. You need to have wool felt. Look at this, gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. Here's another one. If I had a flower for every time you made me smile and laugh, I'd have a garden to walk in forever. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, here's a fun bookmark. You are loved. And look how cute this is. A little gift bag. You can even decorate your own gift bags. Now, club members, of course, yours are already on their way to you. If you're not in the club, you can be in the Stamp Club for as little as $11.95 a month. That includes shipping. That includes your 15% discount on the website and in our booth when we travel. That includes the anniversary gifts when you stay in a full year. It includes the freebies that we're sending out, for example, in December for Christmas. And you are going to love it. And we're coming out with some new club benefits, which are even more exciting. And we want you to be part of our family. You got to be in the club because it's just more exciting. And we have a fan book page on Facebook. It's just too much fun. You have to go check it out. TheStampsOfLife.com. Thanks so much, and I'll see you there. Bye-bye.